This love has never been stronger. I'm up in the clouds when you're around, but when you're not, it's getting much harder. And I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I see your face on all of the pages in the scrapbook of...
Good morning. I've just done my skincare routine, literally just had a shower, washed my face, put on some vitamin C and some SPF and also some fragrance, just some good old fragrance. I've been mixing these two from Farfetch. Shout out to Farfetch. Oh my god, not the deodorant marks, oh my goodness. Shout out to Farfetch for sponsoring today's video. Farfetch Beauty has now launched. Incredible scenes, they got a whole bunch of stuff. Talking fragrance, a little bit later I'm going to show you some makeup I picked up from there as well, but these two have been rocking my world. I feel like no one knows the Bitter Peach comes in an all over body spray. I prefer this so much more to the perfume for some reason. I just feel like it lasts longer. I get so many more compliments when I use this spray. If you use my code Uche15, you can save 15% on Farfetch Beauty. I would usually put my perfume on my neck. I'm currently having some sort of reaction, so that's why I haven't got any jewelry on my neck either, and I'm not putting perfume in that area just because I can't, like, the skin in this area is so sensitive and I've just caused a whole havoc. Let me go ahead and take my scarf down. So I glued my hair yesterday. This is actually a glueless wig. It's a glueless wig, but I've just glued the front bit just because I wanted it to last. But these curls, guys, I did these curls using the Dyson and I have been loving the Dyson. I need a proper hairbrush. Anyway, we're gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna do my makeup. Welcome to today's vlog. We're doing a day in the, we're doing a spend the morning with me. I would usually have gone to the gym this morning, but I'm just very tired today. So I didn't want to force it, guys. I'm super tired, so I thought, let me just leave it. Let me not force myself. Also, guys, I'm in a new place. This is my new room. There's a whole situation here. This is my corridor. There's like heaps of boxes and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm in a new place. I moved. There will probably be no house tour or anything like that. I'm just, you kind of see it in bits and bobs when I start vlogging again. Vlogs are going to be on a minimum, guys. I know I'm going to try and focus more on makeup tutorials just because that's what I love. That's my bread and butter. That's my passion. That's what really started this whole community for me. So I definitely want to focus more on makeup tutorials, and then you'll get vlogs here and there, like today's one. When it feels appropriate, I will do a vlog, or if there's something really popping going on, I will do a vlog. So yeah, I'm about to go do my makeup. Like I said, I would have usually gone to the gym. My body wakes me up at 6, half 6 every morning, and then I just get up and go to the gym. I either go to the gym right close to my house, or I go to the gym like 10 minutes away. Either way, I get to the gym, I get my body moving. I like to go on walks. That's what I've been doing, really. I've really been focusing on walks. I've been lifting a lot less. I've been going to a reformer Pilates. I've been doing a whole bunch of stuff. We have so much to catch up on. We haven't spoken in a while. I'm trying to eat well, but yesterday I did let myself go a little bit. Got a bit excited, but do you know what? Considering how excited I've been getting food-wise, I don't think I look too bad. I think I look pretty good, actually. Not too bad, considering I've been eating like a thief in the night. Today, I need to just film a makeup tutorial for TikTok. I need to film a makeup tutorial for Instagram. Go and check me out on TikTok, guys. I've been loving life on TikTok. I've really been loving TikTok, so go check me out on there. I'm going to talk you guys through my makeup picks from Farfetch, which I'm so excited about. They have all the faves, guys. All of the faves are on Farfetch. We love to see it. I'll also leave that code in the description box for you. I love when you guys comment that you switch between my video and the website and you basically buy what I'm using. So I really love that. So let's keep that going. Let's keep it up. And today we've got a code, so it's like double. Let me get myself, oh my god, did I say? Yeah. Tom Ford Black Orchid. I don't think I said that. Tom Ford Black Orchid and Tom Ford Bitter Peach Spray. Don't mind the noise. Clearly they don't know I'm filming a vlog. Like, what's going on? And then this is my outfit today. Just this vest top from Zara. These cargos from Jaded. They're actually parachute pants, sorry, from Jaded. And I'm going to wear some Birkenstocks and probably my Balenciaga, my big city bag, because it fits everything in. I'm going to go link up with my girls later. And that's pretty much where the vlog is going to end. I might buy myself some flowers. We're going to go do some shisha. It was my friend's birthday a little while ago, so we need to give her gift. We got her these cute pair of Tom Ford sunglasses. I actually wanted to get her the ones that I have, but I think they're like fully sold out. So we got her a cute pair of Tom Ford sunglasses. She has no idea, it wasn't on her list. She might either have like an aneurysm or really love it. So I'll update y'all. This hair, by the way, is absolutely sensational. Like, can you see? I've obviously got a mark there. I actually think part of that is from where I wore a wig last weekend, and it was, the heat in London has been, dare I say, unbearable. But I think I got a semi-tan line from wearing, or is this moved? No, yeah, I think I got a semi-tan line from wearing a wig on my forehead last weekend. Can you see that? That looks absolutely ridiculous. But the hair is some new hair. It was coloured by them as well. Just look at the colours. Like, look at the colours. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the curls, as I said, are just some leftover curls from my Dyson Airwrap that I used yesterday, which I might show you guys how I use that actually. Maybe, maybe not. My skin has really been the business lately as well. A few marks here and there, but, you know, otherwise, she's doing pretty good. Side note, I get a lot of questions on how I get, like, my body looking so glowy. I use SPF, guys. SPF, that's all it is. It's not, like today, it's not crazy warm. I did my body moisturizer first and then I went over with some SPF, but that's how I get the glow on my skin, or body oils. I only use really body oils when I'm on holiday or if it's a night out. Definitely when the temperature's cooler, just because oils can be a bit much on the skin. But yeah, that's how I get my oils. That's how I get my oils. That's how I get my glow. I think I did a video on my TikTok, so listen, if you're not following me on TikTok, on the Clark app, I don't know for you, honestly. I need to stop also listening to other people do American accents. I think I sound like them, but I don't. My American accent is so bad, so I need to stop doing it. But bondage, but I know it doesn't slap, so I'm gonna try and stop because I know I'm not American. I'm definitely a UK London girl, so I'm going to stop. Okay, we're talking about things that make sense. Farfetch, listen. Things that make sense. Number one, my makeup today is making a lot of sense. I didn't use any foundation, guys. Can you actually believe it? Can you believe it? Let's get you all zoomed in. Sorry, I've got you on my setup. I really should just put you here. Hold on, let me... Also, my hair. Delicious. Let me move you on. Let's talk through today's face. Some key moments are lots of Charlotte Tilbury, because that's pretty much like my stop for Charlotte Tilbury now. There's so much Charlotte Tilbury on Farfetch. It is unreal. So let's talk about some products. So I didn't use any foundation today. No foundation, but I did use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in shade 7. That's what I use as like my base. Just, I don't know. I can never just do no foundation because I need something for all of the other products to sit on top, and primer just isn't enough. This is from a brand called Sarah Chapman London. I basically, all of these, by the way, can be found on Farfetch. I use this to like drain out, I'll see if I can put an image there, but it essentially moves like this, and I use it to drain out. It's like a lymphatic drainage, a facelift, face sculptor. Absolutely love this. I use this a lot on my TikTok. It gets a lot of love on my TikTok. Girl's been drinking a little lately, just to drain all of the excess, you know, the puffiness you get when you overdrink. Yeah, just to drain all of that out from my face. And then I use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream to prep my skin. Love this. These two together, absolute dream. Like, look at my skin right now. Gorgeous. That's what I use. I've also been absolutely obsessed with this. It's a lip to cheek Pillow Talk in Colour of Passion. It's so beautiful. It makes a really gorgeous liquid blush, and I just apply with my finger and just warm it into the skin. Stunning. I also picked up a black beauty blender, guys. Let me tell you one thing, yeah. Beauty blenders, definitely, the different colours do different things. Black is my favourite, and as you can see, it's a little bit grubby, but I got it in the set that comes with the soap and the cleaner. So convenient. All comes in this cute little pouch. Wash it before I use it every single time, every single day. Pretty much do my makeup every day now. And it's so convenient. This is also perfect for travel. Everything Charlotte Tilbury pretty much. The new bronzer as well. This is the beautiful Sun Skin Glow bronzer. This one is very well loved, as you can see. I also picked up the backup from Farfetch, so I've got both. It hasn't even been on the market that long. That I have no business been using it this much, but it's just so good. The powder bronzer, of course, which I pretty much love and use endlessly. Do not sleep on her. She really means business. And of course, the Flawless Finish setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Firm favourite, absolutely love. And there's a whole heap of other stuff that you can pick up from site. My makeup done, I'm ready to step out. I also use the Dyson to do my curls today. I only did a portion of the front, that's why I feel like some of the back bit looks a bit lifeless, but baby, it hasn't got to be the whole song and dance, you know. I'm just packing my lip combo that I'm going to be taking out with me because I have to go. So I'm going to pack a bag and be on my good way. And you guys, my makeup just in natural lighting. Obviously my lights are on, but just in natural lighting. I love it. I really love it. I really can't believe I use no foundation. Like, who is she? Who is she? Pretty. Okay, final look. Turn the lights off. Looking like I put a t-shirt on because I'm just a bit concerned that it's gonna rain outside. So I put a t-shirt on. I've got these cargos, Birkenstocks, and then my bag. And that is the vibe. I'm about to step out. I look kind of cute today. I would wear sunglasses, but it's not sunny in the slightest. Like, not even marginally. One last spritz of my Tom Ford. One last spritz of Tom Ford before I have to step out. I have the gold and the black bottle, both Black Orchid. Might even take that with me. Do you know what I've taken with me though? I always take the Tom Ford Bitter Peach spray with me, just making sure it's in my bag. Always take this with me. And then I've got my, just make a little bit there. Everything cool. Right guys, I'm off skis. Don't forget the gift. The soundtrack in here is so good. To go to the seaside. I'm not trying to say that everybody wants to go. Everything. Maria's here. Finished editing it today. That thingy content's doing really well. You haven't? I feel like this was even in One Tree Hill. Guys, yeah, she loves it. Yeah. She loves it. Put them on. Oh, she's tied it back up now. But they look so good on her. Look! Oh my god, your skin looks so nice. Yeah.
I'll wear it sometime.
Come to Rhythm Kitchen in Westfield. Oh! We got these wraps.
Potato, lamb curry, roti. Oh,
delicious. Oh my god, delicious. It's a roti wrap. Roti wrap, so the wrap is roti instead of
just normal,
wrap.
Like, yeah.
And then it's loaded with haricot.
And potato
bread. Oh my god!
I was gonna say, I'm eating that.
Please, that was a big bit of goat as well. God. Oh my goodness.
Like, please.
Guys.
Too good.
Too good.
And you had the slushy before. You said it was nice.
Yeah, the slushies were nice. The slushie was nice. But they've got new slushies. I haven't been in a minute. They updated their iOS. I can't even risk it again, but the meat is so succulent. Look at the steam coming off that.
Too good.
I wanted to romanticize my life so bad. Let me just sort out my hair looks crazy. I wanted to romanticize my life so bad. Wanted to get some flowers, but I went to M&S and it was only like literally, you know, the little drags. There was like 4 miserable looking bunches at the end of the day, which that was my fault for going at the end of the day, but they don't shut for like a few hours. But I guess everyone raided the flower area, so I've just come home. I'm making myself a makeshift cocktail. If you want to make a super quick cocktail, get the alcohol-free, like what do you call these? Sorry, like the cocktail mixers, but they're like alcohol-free. So this is the one for mojito. I would typically put tequila in this, but I don't have any tequila, and my M&S doesn't sell tequila. I think M&S in general don't sell tequila. So I put in Ciroc. This one is personalized with my name. I went for dinner last night with Ciroc and Cult Beauty. They gave me some goodies, as you can see, and also a personalized bottle. So I put some Ciroc in there, and then I just put a tiny bit of elderflower cordial, which was highly unnecessary. Obviously, I didn't finish my rum kitchen, so I also got some veggie spring rolls from Rose's Thai Cafe. So I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's, share the rest with him. I also have a bottle of champagne. I just always have champagne in my house. I'm gonna see if my boyfriend wants to drink some champagne. If he does, I'll bring it. Or he's gonna come pick me up anyway. So when he picks me up, I'll ask him like, do you want champs? I'll bring it. If not, I'll just save it for another time that he wants it. Cause it's not fun drinking champagne on your own. It's so much more fun when someone else is drinking it with you, but he doesn't always want to drink. So yeah, that's the vibe. Guys, that's the end of today's vlog. It was going to be the spend the morning with me, but it just turned out to be a kind of like spend 3/4 of the day with me, which was really nice. It was so good vlogging again. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it was good vibe, good food. I got some ice cream after. The ice cream was so yummy. Also, the girl that served me, I asked for 1 scoop, but I'm sure she gave me like 3 scoops worth. That's my boyfriend. I'm sure, hold on. Speaking of the devil, he is outside. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for spending the day with me. My girl loved her present, which I'm so happy about. I knew she would anyway. You know, sometimes it's just nice to get, I was saying to her, I was like, trust me, this is like something that you wouldn't necessarily get yourself, but you would love. Like designer sunglasses aren't, unless you have one in mind, it's not typically something that people would like seek out to buy themselves. And I was like, you'd never buy this for yourself, but I know it looks so good on you. So yeah. Thank you for spending some of today with me. I hope you loved it. Don't forget code Uche15 will save you 15% on Farfetch Beauty. Make sure you stock up on all your empties or get something new, you know. Have a little look, have a little gander. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Cheers!